From beneath the pressure, one truth rise. No lock can seal what Jah authorize. Freedom sound travel through valley wide. Every bone spirit step outside. Them build high wall for silence we name. Stamp down the truth and disguise them shame. But faith find passage through concrete stone. Now every captive know freedom home. No written threat can govern the soul. Jah living purpose already old. We carry courage where fear once stood, turning long suffering into something good. Freedom sound carry over the land, break every chain with a righteous hand. Freedom sound make captivity cease, open the gate and release Jah peace. Them tighten the rope but did not come loose. Truth bring evidence none can reduce. False authority start lose command when conscious people together stand. No more bowing beneath them decree. Mind wake up and spirit move free. From hidden corners determination spread. Living conviction where fear once fed. Freedom sound rise over the wall. Wake every heart where refuse to fall. Freedom sound let injustice know. Where Jah light enter oppression must go. We freedom deeper than border and crown. Deeper than systems designed for hold down. It live in the conscience clean and awake. Strong enough to make every stronghold shake. No hatred guide how we liberty grow. Wisdom and justice determine the flow. We claim no throne and we seek no praise. Only equal rights through all coming days. Let every burden lose its claim. Let every captive reclaim them name. Mercy beside we, truth in command. One liberated people firmly stand. No chains lie broken beneath we stride. No form of terror can turn back the tide. Babylon's shadow grow thin and small, while spiritual freedom surround us all. We got this liberty honest and clean, so tyranny never return unseen. Just seal the promise within each soul. Free in the spirit, complete and whole. Freedom song cover sea and land. Justice and mercy walk hand in hand. Freedom song let every chain fall. Jah giving liberty belongs to all. No cage for the conscience, no price pon the soul. Freedom sound forever. Jah make we whole. Pressure reach its final hour. Truth step forward, clothing power. What them fasten cannot remain. Jah clear the path, no drop every chain. Cold iron mark on the captive skin, yet them never conquer the strength within. Them write restriction across every page, and call submission a lawful age. But conscience refuse to live pon me. No earthly ruler own Jah liberty. Every cruel order lose its weight when righteous purpose confront the gate. What them bind shall loosen today. What them block shall open away. Chains drop, burden release. We step from bondage into peace. Chains drop, oppression end. Truth stand firm and spirit ascend. suffering and fear. Them hide exploitation beneath fine clothes, but every concealed injustice exposed. With dignity never belong to the man. No crooked bargain can rule this land. Be humble, awaken, focused and wise, with freedom written behind them eyes. Chains drop, clear from we feet. Justice return to every street. Chains drop, captivity done. Many divided, no rise as one. Some prison built without lock or key, made from doubt and dependency. Them teach limitation till hope grow weak. Yet Jah place purpose inside those who seek. We cast off shame that was never we own. Reject every lie them carefully sown. Mind liberated, vision restored. No false master shall ever be Lord. Release the name, release the mind. Leave every instrument of fear behind. Equal in worth, united in aim. No power can fasten those chains again. Now every footprint declare a change. Beyond the boundary, oppression arrange. We carry no vengeance across the line. Only firm justice and purpose divine. Let fairness govern, let mercy remain. Let no new ruler rebuild the chain. Freedom protected by truth every day. That is the covenant guiding we way. Stop, hear freedom rise. No more darkness covering we eyes. Chains drop, every captive release. Jah lead we forward in justice and peace. Mandate finish. Old power stop. Spirit stand upright. Every chain drop. From Kingston lane to a distant shore, a buried purpose rise once more. No border can divide Jah light. Liberation can restore the right. In crowded quarters where pressure stay, them tax every breath and control every way. Still human dignity refuse to retreat. Courage take root beneath concrete feet. Them close every passage and darken the sign, but righteous vision remain divine. A people awaken cannot be denied. Determination multiplying worldwide. One purpose gather beneath one sky. No power can silence liberation cry. Liberation cry, rise and declare. Equal rights must live everywhere. Liberation cry, no spirit kneel. What justice promise people must feel. Are the witness and bury the proof. Protect corruption beneath guarded roof. But hidden records eventually show who profit from sorrow and cause every woe. We carry discernment steady and clear, exposing deception without any fear. No painted title or official disguise can cover wrongdoing from conscious eyes. Oh, liberation cry, travel afar, guide every seeker like one steady star. Liberation cry, injustice beware, a united people demanding them share. Whoa. struggle connect. Different tongues carrying equal respect. No race above and no nation below. One human value must govern the flow. We reject division, planted for rule. Hatred only serve the oppressor's tool. Solidarity strengthen each righteous demand. Shine in every heart and every land. Clean intention, discipline them. Justice without vengeance, a hunger for fame. Just set the measure, impartial and true. Freedom for all, not freedom for few. When liberation finally enter the place, let wisdom and mercy establish the base. Build no new system repeating old pain. Guard every right so equality remain. Let honest service replace selfish pride, with spiritual purpose remaining the guide. The future belongs to those who apply the sacred demand of liberation cry. Liberation cry, rise without fear. Let every conscience receive it clear. Liberation cry, from mountains to sea. Jah grant the people full dignity. One human family, one rightful destiny. Liberation live, and every soul free. Before them border and dividing line, Jah place freedom in human design. Before them document, title or decree, Creator already declare we free. No ruler manufacture the breath we receive. No palace determine what soul must believe. Them claim ownership through paper and seal, yet heavenly purpose remain more real. We value existed before them control, stamped by creation within every soul. No earthly office can cancel the sign. Freedom by birth and by order divine. Them may restrict where the body can be, but Jah made spirit remain sovereign and free. We born free, known upon we. Jah place dignity where all must see. We born free, stand firm in worth. Liberty belong to every soul on earth. Them alter the record and bury we name, turn stolen history into inherited shame. But memory survive every calculated page, returning with strength in a conscious age. We gather the fragments, them scatter abroad, restore every meaning, deception not flawed. Identity rise without hatred or plea, rooted in honor and bound to be free. We born free, no crown decide who must be lower than who stand with pride. We born free, equal from birth. No rank can measure human beings' worth. Freedom begin where illusion depart, when fear lose residence inside of the heart. No need to imitate the image themselves. We know who we are and we carry it well. Reject every label designed to confine. Refuse every doctrine that weaken the mind. Self-knowledge open what pressure conceal, making divine independence real. No race born master, no class born supreme. Those are inventions supporting them scheme. Jah make humanity equal in breath. No law should reduce it through bondage or death. Authority cannot mean selfish command, while somebody else remain trapped by your hand. We guard every person's rightful place, without discrimination of color or race. Freedom with duty shall always agree. That is the meaning of truly born free. We born free, let oppression depart. No foreign dominion can govern the heart. We born free, let every soul see. Jah given freedom is we destiny. Before every kingdom, before every decree, Jah knew we name, and Jah made we free. Too much burden pon innocent back, too much pressure through system attack. Jah wear the load and expose every cast. When righteousness rise, every yoke get mashed. Hey! Them place obligation pon people in need. Them bless the arrangement that nourish them greed. Them praise submission and punish concern, while taking the portion each worker should earn. But sacred authority cannot defend a structure designed for exploit without end. When conscience awaken and purpose stand tall, the manufactured power begin to fall. No burden eternal, no cruelty divine. Jah never create human life he decline. Yoke mash, pressure release, remove exploitation and establish peace. Yoke mash, false power crash, everything built up on suffering must smash. Hey, hey, hey. The payments stay low, debt spread wide everywhere people go. Them promise relief with a permanent fee, keeping hard labor from prosperity. The table stay full where abundance reside, while hunger and hardship get pushed to one side. We demand fair measure, transparent and clean, no hidden condition inside every scheme. Yoke mash, burden depart, Jah restore strength to the weary heart. Yoke mash, greed lose control, no system should purchase or mortgage the soul. Hoy. Hoy. Hey. Hey. Some yoke invisible, passing within, built from despair and inherited sin. Them teach resignation as destiny's plan, so nobody question who profit from man. But spiritual wisdom remove every veil, showing why corrupt foundations must fail. We cast off inferiority planted through years, replacing submission with purpose and care. Mash every doctrine that sanctify pain, mash every contract that strengthen them gain. Leave no resentment to poison the way, build with compassion when burden decay. Now shoulders rise where them once been low, a different direction beginning to show. Fairness take root in each public affair, resources divided with dignity and care. No privilege circle controlling the bread, no honest requests left abandoned or dead. Just set the standard impartial and vast, where people stand equal. Every yoke mash, let exploitation cease. Give every household a portion of peace. Yoke mash, make righteousness last, no burden return when the old yoke mash. Hey, hey. Burden bada bum, bada bum, bada bum, bada bum, bada bum, bada bum. Yeah, 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 yeah. And one's tight now, finger them slip. Cocking at the system, widen bit by bit. Authority tremble when conscience uplift. Look how Babylon begin lose grip. Them office overcrowded with order and file, trying to govern through threat and denial. Every new command reveal more doubt. Them cannot contain what already break out. Public confidence dry from the root. Fine decoration cannot replace good fruit. The throne look mighty from far away, but corruption beneath it cause steady decay. Fear lose power when people can see how fragile oppression was built to be. Babylon lose grip, foundation shift. Conscience awaken and heavy heads lift. Babylon lose grip, control disappear. Them cannot rule when the people drop fear. Dum, 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 dum. Oh, the dum, bum, 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 bum. Dum, 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 dum. Them purchase loyalty with fever and rank. Hide stolen portion inside private banking. Farmer and spy get reward for them role. Yet suspicion start consuming the whole. Each part now watching what the next one conceal. No unity exists where corruption make deal. Them fortress weaken from treachery within. A kingdom of greed cannot discipline sin. Babylon lose grip, false order divide. Every concealed record return to daylight. Babylon lose grip, them scheme overturn. A system that plunder must answer in turn. Them manufacture conflict, fi scatter the crowd, making accusation aggressive and loud. One group blame fi another group's pain, while hidden authorities harvest the gain. But careful awareness identify the plan, uniting each victim across every span. Division stop working when motives expose, and Babylon's influence steadily close. Jah never strengthen dishonest control, nor grant them ownership over the soul. When moral foundation crumble and split, no earthly force can recover the grip. We watch them decline without copying them way. No hunger for vengeance shall lead we astray. Replace intimidation with service and care. Make every decision accountable and fair. Let humble custodians manage the land with clean obligation guiding each. And when righteousness govern and selfishness strip, never again shall Babylon take grip. Babylon lose grip, arrogance fall. No crooked dominion can permanently rule. Babylon lose grip, Jah justice appear. A conscious people shall never live in fear. Control weaken, false power strip. People stand steady. Babylon lose grip. Hey. 7 lock fasten. Seven lock fastened upon one innocent fate, but hidden evidence returned before late. False accusation finally broken. Jah clear the passage and the gate fly open. Them build up a case from a purchase claim, attach condemnation to an innocent name. Missing information deliberately hide, while a Every judgment push fairness aside. No proper question, no careful review. Them choose one conclusion before evidence grew. A signature seal what deception create, and wrongful confinement begin at the gate. But facts never vanish because them suppress. Time bring exposure and truth bring redress. Gate fly open, innocent walk. No false witness can bury the fact. Gate fly open, clear every stain. Return stolen freedom and honor the name. Seasons pass slowly behind concrete wall. Still in a conviction, refuse to fall. Letters unanswered and hearings delay. Bureaucratic silence consume every day. Yet patience preserve what anger could spoil. Hope stay alive through the hardship and toil. No guilty conscience disturb peaceful rest. Jah know the heart and Jah witness the test. Gate fly open, judgment reverse. Remove from the record the manufactured curse. Gate fly open, let freedom begin. No innocent person should suffer for sin. One hidden document eventually found, proving the whole accusation unsound. Dates never match and the statement conflict. Every new detail revealed them deceit. Those who ignored it must answer them part for stealing whole years from an undeserving heart. Justice awaken and correct the mistake, while walls of confinement begin to shake. Review every sentence, examine each claim. Protect every person regardless of name. Law without conscience become cruelty spoken. Where fairness return, every gate must open. Outside again with dignity restored. No longer abandoned, condemned or ignored. The road may be difficult, healing take time. After long punishment without any crime, still purpose remain and resentment decline. A future reclaimed through mercy divine. This freedom become one permanent sign. No system stand righteous while innocence confined. Hey! Gate fly open, let justice prevail. No purchase testimony should place one in jail. Gate fly open, let wrongdoing be known. Jah guide the innocent safely back home. Record corrected, false charge broken. Freedom return, and the gate fly open. Yeah. Them seize every page and darken the root. Still conscious expression find passage out. Thought cannot vanish beneath persecution. Jah grant we courage to resist suppression. Them close publication and confiscate pen. Search every building and question each friend. Writers get punished for facts them reveal, while official deception receive public seal. Them label concern as attack on the state, using emergency power to strengthen them gate. But silencing questions cannot make order right. It only prove how them frightened of light. Them may restrict what the public can view, but censorship cannot erase what is true. Voice no mute, thought travel free. No intimidation can bury Them fill every notice with carefully shaped lies, creating false heroes before people's eyes. Statistics altered and history rearranged, making exploitation appear fair and unchanged. But patient examination separate fact, showing the motive behind every act. Knowledge bring clarity where rumors dispute, and educated judgment keep reasoning rooted. Voice no mute, no tyrant prevail, honest expression escape every jail. Voice no mute, let evidence show what them conceal, conscious people must know. Some lose employment for raising concern, some face harassment wherever them turn. Them family pressure, them movement absurd, all because public accountability deserves. Still moral conviction remain in command, refusing to strengthen a dishonest plan. Jah guard the witness who patiently stand, defending integrity across the land. Freedom of speech must carry respect, no hatred or falsehood disguised as intellect. Use every statement with discipline and care, protecting all people while making things clear. Let every opinion receive proper space, without persecution by status or race. Let leaders respond instead of attack, and place full evidence behind every fact. A confident nation need not silence debate, nor punish its people for questioning the state. Where wisdom can reason and conscience contribute, no earthly power can make we voice mute. Voice no mute, let integrity rise, expose every system maintained through disguise. Voice no mute, stand steady and clear, Jah given expression shall conquer all fear. Pledge may be taken, but thought remain rooted. Conscience keep living, with voice no muted. Rights are not favor handed by crown, nor private reward passed selectively down. Jah create equal worth within everyone, so rise for the rights that oppression deny. Them treat basic freedom like privilege for few, reserved for the wealthy and loyalist crew. One rule for the powerful, next for the poor. Justice stay distant behind guarded door, but human protection must never depend on title, connection or influential friend. Equal consideration must govern the land, with fairness applied by an impartial hand. No begging for mercy from rulers in height. Stand with discipline and rise for we rights. Rise for rights, determined and strong. Equal protection belong to everyone. Rise for rights, no favor we plead. Human dignity is a universal need. Them block registration where opposition reside, and call every outcome legitimate with pride. Them redraw the boundary for strengthen control, removing representation from many. And the role of government chosen through calculated deceit cannot claim manna from a manufactured seat. Let every selection be transparent and right, with every valid person included in sight. Rise for rights, let fairness decide. No stolen election should permanently hide. Rise for rights, participation defend. Power must answer to the people in the end. When peaceful assembly gather in town, them send intimidation fi break the crowd down. Permits get cancelled without proper cause, while violence protected through selective laws. Still careful resistance remain organized, avoiding in each trap that them strategy devise. Purpose stay focused, behavior stay clean, showing the world what legitimate struggle mean. No reckless destruction, no hatred in sight. Firm moral courage shall carry the fight. Strength under discipline, wisdom in command. Jah guide each movement, defending the land. Reform every court where prejudice stay. Remove every barrier that block equal way. Let housing and learning be fairly supplied, with public resources no longer denied. Make leadership answer for each decision made, and end every practice that keep people afraid, until equal treatment become daily sight. We remain standing and rise for we rights. Rise for rights. Oh, rise for rights. And rise for we rights. Rise for rights. Oh, yeah. Rise for rights. Rise for rights. Let righteousness grow. Every institution must practice what it show. Rise for right till inequality done. Jah given dignity belongs to everyone. Focused in purpose, upright in sight, no backward movement. We rise for we rights. Them remove the ruler but leave them design, hidden like shadow inside of the mind. Jah bring awareness and self-knowledge come, inherited submission, slave mind done. Oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Them textbook describe we beginning as void, ignoring the knowledge them conquest destroy. Them celebrate empire and soften its crime, while stolen achievement disappear through time. Repeated distortion begin feel true, till people distrust what them ancestry knew. But careful research uncover the sum, restoring the record, slave mind done. No borrowed judgment shall measure we worth. Jah place equal value upon all of the earth. Slave mind done, release every shame, stand in a dignity and honor we name. Slave mind done, clear vision arise, no foreign standard shall govern we eyes. Them rank every feature by color and shade, then profit from insecurity them system create. Natural appearance get treated as less, while imitation receive acceptance and praise. Them mark every accent that carry we place, yet copy we expression when seeking fresh taste. No self-respect flourish where ridicule come, false beauty doctrine, slave mind done. No borrowed disguise, we recognize value without compromise. Slave mind done, inferiority cease, self-knowledge return with confidence and peace. Mental freedom require more than changing the flag or praising new symbols while old habits drag. It question each lesson designed to control and remove dependency planted in our soul. It never mean hatred for people abroad, nor claiming one culture uniquely belong to God. It means equal standing beneath Jah's son, no master, no subject, slave mind done. Examine the thinking inherited through pain, keep what bring wisdom and cleanse every stain. Freedom starting word before it can spread, remove every empire still living in our head. Now we shape the future through knowledge and skill, following purpose with discipline will. No need for permission to value we own, or measure achievement by somebody's throne. We learn from all people yet remain secure, grounded in identity, balanced and sure, with restored and self-hatred gone. Just seal the freedom. Slave mind done. Let consciousness lead. Reject every teaching that strengthen them greed. Slave mind done. Stand equal as one. Mental captivity completely done. No borrowed value, no shame fi carry. Mind liberated and spirit stand free. Na 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 na. Long time the care sleep under dust and seal, but hidden paper cannot prevent what is real. Jah preserve the names, them authority forsake. No reckoning arrive and justice wake. Them enter at night without warrant or claim, carry people away, then erase every name. Official denial, I'll meet each family request, while empty explanations create more distress. No proper location, no hearing, no trace. Only closed offices and contempt in them face. Still every petition preserve what them take, waiting pon the hour when justice would wake. Delay may exhaust those who search for the fact, but time cannot legalize a criminal act. Justice way, rise from delay, bring every hidden deed into open day. Justice way, let accountability start, restore every name and acknowledge each heart. Hey. A seal archive open after many long years, containing instructions that confirm every fear. Dates and locations aligned on the page, revealing coordination directed by rage. Those who denied it, no struggle fee explain why public authority authorize such pain. No altered report can repair them mistake. Evidence gather and justice wake. Justice wake. No record disappear. Every concealed order eventually appear. Justice wake. Let denial retreat. The powerful must answer before judgment seat. Give every accused one a hearing that fear. No vengeance or hatred should dominate there. Present every document, verify every claim. Let lawful examination determine the blame. No secret conviction, no punishment, while justice must remain both courageous and mild. A righteous decision, no prejudice make, clean in its purpose when justice awake. Jah count every person, authority ignore, every unanswered question, an unrecorded door. No rank can protect those who knowingly betray the sacred responsibility entrusted them with. Return every finding to families denied. Let public remembrance replace where them lied. Compensate loss where repayment can reach, and reform every office that permitted the breach. Teach future officials what power require. Humility, service and conduct tell dire. When memory protected and secrecy break, the nation start healing because justice wake. Justice wake. Let integrity lead. Answer every sorrow created through greed. Justice wake. Let righteousness show. No hidden offense shall remain below. Names remembered, records awake. Delay finally ended. Justice wake. justice wake. Them decorate deception in sacred attire, then sell empty promises to feed them desire. But Jah grant discernment, so clearly we see. When false veils scatter, the truth set we. Them calculate blessing by size of offering, treat wealthy appearance like favor from king. Those carrying hardship get pushed to the rear, while privilege sit near the altar of fear. Them market deliverance and advertise grace, placing a price upon each spiritual place. But heaven's compassion was never a fee. Jah love remain open and truth set we. No payment can purchase what mercy provide. No garment of status make wrongdoing hide. Truth set we, false veil tear. Jah love never traded through money or fear. Truth set we, clear sight receive. Test every doctrine before we believe. Them twist sacred writing, fi strengthen control, demanding submission from body and soul. Them threaten damnation when questions arise, protecting them prophet with spiritual disguise. But scripture bring justice, compassion and care, not private dominion through panic and scare. Wisdom examine what greed try decree, false meaning collapse when truth set we. Truth set we, deception depart. Faith must bring mercy and purify heart. Truth set we, no fraud can remain. Jah never point greed fi govern true pain. Oh yeah, yeah. True devotion evident, true conduct and deed, sharing a portion with those who have need. It walk with humility, patience and love, without claiming greatness or rank from above. It never exploit vulnerability or grief, nor turn desperation into financial relief. By righteous behavior the fruit can be seen, where motives stay honest and conscience stay clean. Justice, compassion and humble intent, these are the marks of a life truly spent, where selfish ambition replace sacred plea, discernment awaken and truth set we. Now congregation question each unexplained claim, no longer surrendering judgment through shame. Them keep spiritual purpose yet reason remains, separating devotion from personal gain. Jah dwell with the humble, no luxury throne, and every sincere heart can seek Jah alone. No false mediator control destiny. Faith become freedom when truth set we. Truth set we. Let conscience decide. Remove every doctrine where exploitation hide. Truth set we. Jah mercy reveal. Spiritual freedom make every heart heal. No purchase blessing, no fear-based decree. Jah light uncover, and the truth set we. False opportunity carry them far from home, then seize every document and leave them alone. But Jah preserve strength through the cruel enterprise. Oppression lose power when the captive rise. Them advertise work with respectable pay, then alter the terms when the journey underway. Passport confiscated, movement confined, debt multiplying through figures designed. Long hours demanded with payment withheld. Every complaint by intimidation repelled. Still in our awareness, study them disguise, preparing the moment when the captive rise. No contract is lawful when freedom denied. No debt can excuse how a person is tied. Captive rise, reclaim every name. Step from exploitation without carrying shame. Captive rise, recover them life. Jah lead each survivor beyond sacrifice. A trusted organization discover the sign. Unpaid employment and movement confined. Safe transportation, remove them from harm. With careful protection and no false alarm. Them traffickers scatter when evidence appear, while those once in prison start breathing without fear. No longer surrounded by threat and disguise. A passage to safety, let the captive rise. Captive rise, dignity return. No human being is a product to earn. Captive rise, let exploitation cease. Provide every survivor with shelter and peace. Freedom alone cannot settle each scar. Recovery continue after traveling far. Secure immigration and counseling care. Fair compensation and treatment that fair. No public suspicion or blame should remain. The victim committed, no reason for shame. With patience and choice, them confidence revive. Turning mere rescue to a meaningful life. Investigate recruiters and companies involved. Follow each payment until crime is resolved. Protect every migrant regardless of place. Human rights belong to the whole human race. No former captives help strengthen reform. Recognizing patterns exploitation perform. Them knowledge prevent other people from harm. Creating awareness without causing alarm. No longer defined by what traffickers plan. Them rebuild purpose with life in them hand. Jah restore hope where despair did reside. Fully liberated, the captive rise. Captive rise, reclaim destiny. No debt or employer can purchase humanity. Captive rise, let every wrong exposed. From surviving oppression, new freedom grows. Documents return, dignity alive. No longer captive, them rise and thrive. Long time intimidation govern each choice. Pressure in the chest and restraint upon expression. But Jah place courage where worry once come. Spirit regain balance and fear finally done. Years under threat teach the body fi brace. Watching each movement and studying each face. Every unexpected knock bring alarm. Even when distance already remove arm. Freedom arrive but the tension remain. Hidden in thought like a permanent stain. Healing move gently, not forced or outrun. Step after step until fear become done. No shame in recovery, no weakness in care. Jah meet every burden and strengthen we there. Fear done, no terror command. Just steady the spirit and strengthen we stand. Fear done, let confidence confidence grow. No farmer oppressor shall govern we soul. Them train hesitation through punishment and blame, make self-protection feel equal to shame. Each new decision bring doubt from the past, as the whole danger still hold people fast. But present awareness separate them from no, teaching the mind how to loosen its brow. No longer expecting what cruelty begun, peace claim residence and fear become done. Fear done, let worry release, make room inside for assurance and peace. Fear done, no panic decide, Jah given courage remain by we side. Bring patience when memory return, wise understanding help wounded thought learn. Trusted support make the burden feel less, without condemnation or pressure to impress. Rest becomes sacred and boundaries clear, each healthy choice reduce lingering fear. No need to pretend that recovery won, healing stay honest till fear truly done. Courage is not absence of concern, it is moving with wisdom through lessons we learn. Jah never demand reckless action from anyone. Walk with discernment until fear done. Now we enter places once avoided through dread, it's steadier. Judgment controlling we head, no authority determine we pace. No past intimidation occupy present space. We protect this freedom with thoughtful design, respecting each limit and warning sign. The terror them planted no longer can run. Jah restore courage and fear fully done. Fear done, let confidence rise, no hidden terror remain in we eyes. Fear done, stand peaceful and strong, Jah hold we steady as we journey along. Breath become steady, new courage come, peace take residence, and fear done. Oh na 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 na. Boy, different banner hanging over one same pain, while powerful lines collect all the gain. Jah reveal the bond them rivalry hide. Freedom grows stronger when people unite. Party color separate district from district, each leader promising change with a clever trick. Them stir all resentment before every vote, then disappear quickly in a privileged coat. Supporters keep quarreling while services fail, and public requests disappear through the mail. But Archie recognize no parties on side, common survival make people unite. No color division can shelter we need. Unity stronger than political greed. People unite, put rivalry aside, equal protection must serve as the guide. People unite, stand conscious and wise, no selfish ruler can conquer. United lives. Them separate worship by doctrine and name, then use sacred difference to kindle a flame. One group blame for another group's loss, while hidden investors calculate the cost. But faith without mercy is empty display, and hatred cannot form a righteous way. Respect every kind conscience, let dignity abide under one creator. The people unite. People unite, let prejudice cease. Different conviction can coexist in peace. People unite, no hatred provide. Jah equal mercy stand on every side. Class build distance between high wall and street, though every human share hunger and need. Some receive comfort from family name, while capable people get blocked from the same. We form common councils where all can attend, making public resources serve every end. Transparent decisions with nothing to hide. Practical freedom when people unite. Unity no mean every thought must agree. It means disagreement without cruelty. Reason with patience, let fairness decide. Respect stay present when people unite. No housing and water become common name. No party can claim them for personal fame. Healthcare and learning receive proper care, with budgets examined and duties made clear. Them cannot distract we with scandal and spite, because shared understanding preserve what is right. God bless cooperation when greed step aside. A nation grows stronger when people unite. People unite, let division be done. Many different pathways, yet dignity one. People unite, let justice reside. No force can defeat those who firmly unite. Different, one future in sight. Freedom stands stronger when people unite. Na 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 na. Beyond concrete tower and marketplace clear, a higher covenant summon we care. Not through possession, prestige or display. Zion call the spirit toward a righteous way. City advertise what appetite crave. Luxury presented like the purpose Jah gave. Status get measured by jewelry and brand, while kindness and beauty slip out of the hand. Them chase recognition from stranger and crowd, building false image and living too proud. But temporary glory eventually fall. Conscience start turning when Zion call. Leave vanity empty and selfishness small, preparing a conduct for answer. Zion call, Zion call. Step out of excess, walk in humility, mercy and righteousness. Zion call. Let pure purpose lead. Value every life above status and greed. Zion no destination, purchased by fear. No private reward for appearance and prayer. It live in behavior when nobody see. In honest decision and moral integrity. It show true compassion without seeking praise. True patient forgiveness and disciplined ways. No decorated title can qualify all. Character determine who answer the call. Zion call, Zion call. Let selfishness cease. Carry clean intention and practice real peace. Zion call. Remove every disguise. Jah judge the motive, no appearance can hide. Some seek a refuge while leaving wrong behind, ignoring the suffering them actions design. But Zion require every damage repair, returning what taken taking and making things fair. No spiritual claim can excuse harmful deed or cover exploitation committed through greed. Repentance bear evidence tangible and tall. Changed human conduct, respond to the call. Justice in action, compassion made clear. No empty performance for people to cheer. Just search the intention surrounding it all. Only sincere heart can answer Zion call. Oh. We answer true service wherever we stand, protecting the vulnerable across every land, refusing corruption though profit look near, remaining consistent without public cheer. We measure achievement by good that remain, not by accumulation or somebody's pain. When earthly illusions surrender and fall, the liberated spirit fulfill. Zion call, Zion call. Let righteousness rise, release every idol that capture the eyes. Zion call. Live faithful and true, make every action show Jah working through you. No worldly possession, no glittering wall, pure heart and clean action. Answer Zion call. Na 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 na. Them divide one land with a prejudice line, then call exclusion a lawful design. But Jah create earth with a privileged section. Fence off a break when it serves segregation. Them mark certain districts for one chosen race, while others get removed from them rightful place. Housing restricted by color and name, employment selection repeating the same. Public convenience separated by law, creating humiliation wherever we saw. But no human feature determine who belong. Every racial boundary fundamentally wrong. No artificial border can alter the fact. Equal humanity demand equal access. Fence break, segregation fall. Jah make one earth with enough room for all. Fence break, restricted line erase. No one should measure human worth by race. Oh yeah. Them enclosed common pathway leading to shore, then charge high payment where access was before. Land held unused by a privileged few, while displaced communities have nowhere to move. Official approval support every claim, the original residents remember them name. Return fair access and settle each case. No private enclosure should conquer shared space. Fence break, displacement and restore every passage them policy bend. Fence break, make ownership fair. Land cannot prosper while exclusion live there. Aye. Oh yeah. Petition on hearing challenge the zone, with maps and records showing what people had known. Court finally ruled segregation unjust, ordering removal and rebuilding the trust. No reckless destruction or uncontrolled rage, but organized action turn history's page. Lawful correction dismantle the line, proving persistence can alter design. Removal alone cannot settle the pain. Repair every loss and prevent it again. Equality require more than changing design. It must live in practice through structure and mind. Now who's in allocation follow fair code. No racial restriction determine abode. Public land open with access secured, and march out. Different communities share one domain. Without forced separation, repeating again. Jah bless the land where exclusion fall. No fence between people, equal place for all. Fence break, let prejudice cease. Replace segregation with justice and peace. Fence break, let every race see. One human family deserve equality. Lines erased, equal access restored. Fence break completely. Division rule no more. To the hillside track, determined people move forward, not back. No weapon carried, no vengeance dispatch. Justice guide every freedom march. Factory district gather beneath open sky. Office worker join as the column pass by. Market vendor close them stall for a while, taking them place in a discipline file. Different organization agree on demand. End unlawful detention throughout the land. No private ambition or personal charge. One common purpose, direct freedom march. Steady in conduct and clear in approach. No provocation shall weaken the cause. Freedom march, determined and wide. No weapon in hand, only justice as guide. Freedom march, curfew must cease. People advance in discipline and peace. Roadblock established fi scatter the line. Permit withdrawn at the very last time. Threat of dismissal gets sent to employed. Transport restrictions strategically deployed. Still legal observers document each act, protecting the movement with verified fact. No reckless response when harassment start. Calm preparation strengthen freedom march. Freedom march, intimidation fail. No emergency order can make purpose frail. Freedom march, stand patient and strong. A peaceful demand cannot remain wrong. Outside Parliament the gathering stay, presenting each demand in a lawful way. Release every prisoner not formally tried, and secret detention and powers applied. Restore public meeting and movement at night. Submit every officer to independent sight. Full written answers requested at large. Accountability stand at the freedom march. Discipline protect what courage begin. No hatred outside and no violence within. Jobless resistance that value all life. Firm in its purpose yet distant from strife. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Emergency measure eventually repeal. An independent hearings establish appeal. Some detainees freed, other cases reviewed. With legal protection at last renewed. The march become proof that collective demand, when carefully guided, can transform a land. Future generations inherit the mark. Rights were restored through the freedom march. Freedom march, let liberty stand. No secret authority controlling the land. Freedom march, let every right last. Protecting the future by correcting the past. Orderly movement, one righteous path. People move forward in a freedom march. just receive only pain. But Jah make the earth fi sustain every hand. Restore what them capture and free the land. Old foreign grant carry questionable seal, signed without consent yet recorded as real. Generations displaced from ancestral ground, while absentee owners live nowhere around. Them rent back the acres them conquest obtain, collecting each payment through inherited claim. But stolen authority cannot forever stand. Review every title and free the land. No ancient injustice become right through age. Correct every theft, still preserve on the page. Free the land from possession and greed. Return rightful stewardship wherever there's need. Free the land, let communities stand. No distant owner should empty the land. Company arrive with extraction permit, removing the wealth while contributing little bit. River turn cloudy and hillside grow bare, yet profit travel outward without local share. Health concern rise where contamination spread, while official inspection remain underfed. Make every polluter repair what them plan. Protect every resource and free the land. Free the land, let exploitation cease. Restore every river and damage release. Free the land, make agreement fair. The people who live there deserve proper share. Oi! Preserve every site, documenting usage and customary right. Records and memory together agree, exposing false transfer and legal deceit. Independent hearing examine each deed, separating valid from colonial greed. Restitution follow through lawful command, measured and peaceful yet freeing the land. Freedom, no license to waste or destroy. Land is a trust, not a disposable toy. Care for the soil, every hillside and strand. Responsible living shall strengthen the land. Now local custodians determine the plan, balancing protection with needs of each clan. Water safeguarded and forests renewed. Extraction restricted where damage accrued. Public agreement guide every use with no private payment. Securing abuse, jobless, fierce stewardship, honest and grand. Future stay rooted when we free the land. Free the land, let restoration grow. Return every portion that evidence show. Free the land, let righteousness stand. Jah given creation belongs in good hands. River protected, hold theft and man. Justice take root and freedom reach the land. Oh yeah. All rule, withdraw and oppression sustain. But freedom need guardians so rights can remain. No throne over conscience, no private domain. Let righteousness govern and liberty reign. Right to every protection in language made clear, so no future ruler can alter through fear. Separate the powers and limit command. Place independent judgment throughout the land. Publish each budget and contract them make. Review every action for public interest sake. Where leadership answer and citizens explain. Freedom finds structure and liberty reign. No person above law, no office supreme. Accountable power, protect freedom's dream. Liberty reign, let equal law stand. Justice and mercy walk over the land. Liberty reign, let dignity remain. No hidden dominion shall conquer again. Protect free assembly and personal belief. Provide lawful remedy whenever there's grief. No secret detention or punishment, while no public official by privilege shield. Every accused must receive proper trial, with evidence tested and no hostile denial. Where legal protection reject private gain, rights become living and liberty reign. Liberty reign, let fairness preside. No class or complexion pushed to one side. Liberty reign, let government serve. Give every person the treatment them deserve. Freedom require more than personal choice. It guard every minority from dominant force. It respects disagreement without hateful attack, and gives honest correction when conduct goes slack. Citizens monitor those trusted with power, not only during one ceremonial hour. With vigilance steady and conscience you may. No tyrant return while liberty reign. Liberty no license, the exploiter deceive. Nor freedom fit take what another should receive. Rights carry duties that all must maintain. Respect one another and liberty reign. Let public education preserve what it costs to recover the freedoms oppression had lost. Keep every safeguard alive through the years. Strengthened by wisdom, not weakened by fears. When crisis arise, let principles stay. No temporary measure become permanent wage. Jah bless the covenant we choose to maintain. Equal in freedom while liberty reign. Liberty reign, from shoreline to plain. Never let tyranny govern again. Liberty reign, let righteousness lead. Freedom protected in action and deed. Liberty reign, let every soul rise. Equal in worth beneath Jah open skies. Liberty reign, this promise remain. Jah guard the people while liberty reign. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, life. No throne over conscience, no ruler unrestrained. Freedom stand forever and liberty reign.